Well, good morning, my little peeps, my sweet peeps. I'm over here in Lompoc at the Legal Aid Foundation, and I'm getting ready to go in here to check to see if they have a what?
No,
Something.
I'm the one who.
Karen with an I is going in
Karen
there.
with an I.
You can go ahead, and you're going to get a verification of their.
No. I'll tell you. You'll hear me.
We'll hear her when she goes in there. So we're doing an audit with Karin with an I right now. Lompoc. Checking this place out. And make sure they respect our First Amendment right to record in public, in publicly accessible areas.
Hello.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
What's with the camera? Are you paparazzi?
Yeah, we are actually. My name is Karin Hallenstein.
Hi, Karin. I'm Mike
I
St.
was
Dennis.
born in Lompoc, and I'm a fifth-generation resident of Lompoc.
Well, there you go.
I would like to see a copy of your agency's most recent Form 990. Do you have a copy of that?
You have to contact the head office.
I need that contact information, please.
You have something to write with?
Sure, you want to give it to me, or you give me the information?
No, don't you have something to write with?
No, why don't you just say it on film? We'll transpose it. Give us the information.
I don't consent to being videotaped, ma'am. So I'm trying to manage my image. Well, you come
You
in,
really
brother.
are? Would you like to meet with me inside without the camera going? Because I can talk to you there.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, we can talk right here. Sure.
Okay. Wow. Wait.
I'm feeling an aggressive vibe. Am I still on videotape?
Yes, you are, sir.
Well,
Would you like
I'm
to
not
talk outside?
I'm not consenting to being
Okay.
videotaped. And it's illegal in the state of California to videotape me if I don't consent.
Can I have your consent?
No, you
sir?
don't.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Well, actually, the First Amendment of the United States gives me that.
Yeah, we're in public.
You're
open. Are you not open to the public? Wait. Is this office not open to the public? Because if it isn't,
okay,
then you don't have a right to be taped right now. But if this is open to the public and I'm being recorded by her, then yes, we do have a right to record
and
this.
I don't really want to get into an argument, man. You're coming on really strong with me.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, I'm not here to fight with anybody. I'm the local lawyer for the Legal Aid Foundation.
Don't
Oh,
talk
okay.
to me like.
And what's
don't
your
talk to
name,
me like
sir?
I'm a child.
No, I'm just explaining
Okay.
to you who I am. I'm the local lawyer for the Legal Aid Foundation for the San Ynez Valley and Lompoc.
San Ynez Valley primarily, not in Lompoc. You do more work in San Ynez Valley than you do in Lompoc. Is that correct?
No, ma'am, it's not.
Okay.
And what I do.
Can we get a name?
Yeah.
I'm trying to get there.
Oh,
You guys
thank you.
would give me a break.
So sorry. I don't mean to stress you out, sir. I'm not doing that at all.
Well, is there some sort of a problem? Because
There's no problem at all. I am here to do one thing.
What's that?
Get a copy of your agency's most recent Form 990.
And that's perfect. First, you know they're online.
No, I don't use online. I have people send me things.
I'm not.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Then you'll have to contact. Our main office is in Santa Barbara.
Oh, it's in Santa Barbara. Okay.
Well, it's a public record, right?
Oh, yeah. It's
So by
absolutely
law,
public.
by a FOIA, Freedom of
No.
Information.
Shh. I have them give it to me. Because
Well, you
I
should be able to write it
Let me
down.
explain to you why. Let me explain to you why I have the agencies give me the copy directly. Because I have had agencies who know who I am who have actually given me false records before. And they didn't know that I was going to go to the IRS and tell the IRS. Because I document everything.
Okay.
Do you
I
understand?
believe you. No,
I
I
am
believe you.
currently auditing some 501c3 nonprofits in this county that are going to lose their federal 501c3 status as soon as as soon as my work is published.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm auditing your organization.
Okay.
Sir, I don't know your name yet, but
I just introduced myself to you a minute ago.
well, what is your name?
My name is Michael St. Dennis.
Michael St. Dennis. I totally anticipate that I'm not going to find any untoward information in auditing your organization. But I do request the Form 990s directly from you, and I expect to get them somehow, like even if it's like email or whatever,
Right.
or sometimes they make me come in person.
Well,
I'm so sorry.
Well, and that's what I'm trying to help you with this. So we have 3 offices. We have our main office is in Santa Barbara, in downtown Santa Barbara, and we have a North County office in Santa Maria, and then we have a mid-county office that handles the Valley and Lompoc.
Okay.
So I'm the lawyer who's assigned to that jurisdiction, but I'm not the person who handles all of the documentation.
They have your documents. Actually, the form I'm looking for is residing in a file down in Santa Barbara.
I would
physically.
I would suspect that's right.
That's
because
exactly
that's where our accounting people are.
Oh, you have a whole accounting division?
We're a really tiny nonprofit that's trying to help people with domestic violence, housing issues, benefits, and so we have.
What about real estate title fraud? Do you ever handle any of that?
No, ma'am, we don't do that.
You don't have anybody who comes to you from the general population that asks for help when they're being frauded?
In real estate?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are not able to do that under our grants. So what we will do is we will try to help those people by referring them to individuals who can assist them. So
but if they don't have any money to pay for an attorney?
I'm going to go there.
Oh, okay. I got you.
That's why I'm really sensing this real aggressive thing. So here's the issue.
It's a little personal to her.
I'm so sorry. It's very personal. When you eventually find out my story, you'll understand.
Okay, yeah, it's not.
I appreciate that. So if somebody comes to us for anything that we're not able to do under our grants, for example, a real estate fraud situation, or maybe family law, there's some, divorce or, issues with child custody and stuff like that. So what we do is we have organizations that we can refer people to for assistance.
Great.
An example would be, so we have the contact information in North County for the family law facilitator. So if a person came in and needed assistance with family law issues that we're not able to handle, we refer them to those people. In your example of a real estate fraud, we don't have a grant that allows us to help people who are the victims of some sort of a real estate fraud, but we do acknowledge that those events do in fact occur. So what we have is we have an organization called the LRC, the Legal Resource Center, and because you're pretty savvy, you're
I'm learning things that I absolutely need to know.
But you seem like a person who is relatively savvy, and so you might.
I have 149 IQ.
Okay, so you're probably pretty doggone smart too. So you would be the person that we would suggest you go contact if you know what it is that you need to do. For example, you wanted to. I'm going to make an example. You were going to file a lawsuit against your friend here. Katie, you were going to file a lawsuit against this lady for some sort of a real estate scam. Our LRC, the Legal Resource Center, could assist you. We could not give you legal advice, but we could assist you with the documentation for that. So
so do you guys help anybody do anything? What if they're a criminal and they're trying to sue somebody for erroneous reasons? Would you still help them?
So the person who's trying to file the lawsuit is actually a convicted felon? Is that
they are actually a convicted. The example that I'm thinking of in my mind.
Give it to me.
I believe she actually did use you guys to sue me and my dad. Danielle Lee Cohn.
I don't think that.
Danielle Lee Cohn used a lawyer that she didn't pay for.
Well, that just because somebody uses a lawyer.
No, I think she went. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out how this organization actually works.
The legal aid?
Yeah.
Oh, thank God. That's something I can tell you. So what we do is we have grants. So I'll use me as an example. So I work under a grant that's called the Sergeant Shriver Grant. Maria Shriver's dad.
Oh, okay.
And
God bless him.
What that grant does is it provides legal services in rural parts of California.